What is the main function of the circulatory system?
Transport of substances.
Which organ pumps blood throughout the body?
Heart.
The human heart is located in the
Thoracic cavity.
How many chambers are present in the human heart?
4.
How many atria are present in the heart?
2.
How many ventricles are present in the heart?
2.
Which chamber pumps oxygenated blood to the body?
Left ventricle.
Which chamber pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs?
Right ventricle.
Which chamber receives oxygenated blood from the lungs?
Left atrium.
Which chamber receives deoxygenated blood from the body?
Right atrium.
Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the heart?
Aorta.
Which is the largest artery in the human body?
Aorta.
Which blood vessel carries blood back to the heart?
Vein.
Which blood vessels connect arteries and veins?
Capillaries.
Where does exchange of gases and nutrients occur?
Capillaries.
Which blood vessel carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs?
Pulmonary artery.
Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the lungs?
Pulmonary vein.
Which vein is the largest in the human body?
Vena cava.
Which side of the heart contains oxygenated blood?
Left side.
Which side of the heart contains deoxygenated blood?
Right side.
What is the liquid part of blood called?
Plasma.
Which blood cells transport oxygen?
Red blood cells.
Which blood cells fight infections?
White blood cells.
Which blood component helps in clotting?
Platelets.
Which protein carries oxygen in blood?
Hemoglobin.
Who discovered the circulation of blood?
William Harvey.
Who discovered the above blood group system?
Karl Landsteiner.
Which blood group is called the universal donor?
O negative.
Which blood group is called the universal recipient?
AB positive.
Which blood group has no A or B antigens?
O.
Which blood group has both A and B antigens?
AB.
Which blood group has only A antigen?
A.
Which blood group has only B antigen?
B.
Which blood vessel carries blood to the heart muscle?
Coronary artery.
What is the normal resting pulse rate of an adult?
60 to 100 beats per minute.
Which instrument measures blood pressure?
Sphygmomanometer.
What is the normal blood pressure of a healthy adult?
120 over 80 mmHg.
Which valve lies between the left atrium and left ventricle?
Bicuspid valve.
Which valve lies between the right atrium and right ventricle?
Tricuspid valve.
Which valve prevents backflow into the aorta?
Aortic valve.
Which valve prevents backflow into the pulmonary artery?
Pulmonary valve.
The contraction phase of the heart is called?
Systole.
The relaxation phase of the heart is called?
Diastole.
What is one complete heartbeat called?
Cardiac cycle.
Which circulation carries blood between the heart and lungs?
Pulmonary circulation.
Which circulation carries blood between the heart and the body?
Systemic circulation.
Humans have which type of circulation?
Double circulation.
Which blood vessels usually carry oxygenated blood?
Arteries.
Which blood vessels usually carry deoxygenated blood?
Veins.
Which heart chamber has the thickest wall?
Left ventricle.
What is the average blood volume in an adult?
5 liters.
Which blood component transports nutrients?
Plasma.
Which blood component transports hormones?
Plasma.
Which blood component transports waste products?
Plasma.
Which blood cells lack a nucleus in humans?
Red blood cells.
Where are red blood cells produced?
Red bone marrow.
Which blood cells have the shortest lifespan?
Platelets.
Approximately how long do red blood cells live?
120 days.
Which protein forms the mesh during blood clotting?
Fibrin.
Which vitamin is essential for normal blood clotting?
Vitamin K.
Which mineral is essential for blood clotting?
Calcium.
Which blood cells help in clot formation?
Platelets.
Which blood vessel has the thinnest wall?
Capillary.
Which blood vessels contain valves?
Veins.
Which vessel carries blood at the highest pressure?
Aorta.
Which vessel carries blood at the lowest pressure?
Vein.
Which fluid circulates in the lymphatic system?
Lymph.
Which system returns excess tissue fluid to the bloodstream?
Lymphatic system.
Which organs filter lymph?
Lymph nodes.
Which organ produces lymphocytes for immunity?
Spleen.
Which organ destroys old red blood cells?
Spleen.
Which artery supplies the heart muscle?
Coronary artery.
Blockage of coronary arteries may cause?
Heart attack.
Which condition is called high blood pressure?
Hypertension.
Which condition is called low blood pressure?
Hypotension.
What is the medical term for heart attack?
Myocardial infarction.
Which disease is caused by reduced hemoglobin?
Anemia.
Which disease is caused by delayed blood clotting?
Hemophilia.
Which disease affects white blood cells?
Leukemia.
Which disease is commonly called blood cancer?
Leukemia.
Which blood disorder is inherited?
Hemophilia.
Which vitamin helps iron absorption?
Vitamin C.
Iron deficiency mainly causes?
Anemia.
Which mineral is required for hemoglobin formation?
Iron.
Which blood group has no A or B antibodies?
AB.
Which blood group has both A and B antibodies?
O.
Which blood vessel has the thickest wall?
Artery.
Which vessel carries blood away from the heart?
Artery.
Which vessel carries blood toward the heart?
Vein.
Which chamber begins pulmonary circulation?
Right ventricle.
Which chamber begins systemic circulation?
Left ventricle.
Which side of the heart receives oxygenated blood?
Left side.
Which side pumps blood to the lungs?
Right side.
Which organ continuously pumps blood?
Heart.
Which blood cells are called erythrocytes?
Red blood cells.
Which blood cells are called leukocytes?
White blood cells.
Which blood cell fragments help clotting?
Platelets.
Which blood component carries antibodies?
Plasma.
Which circulation supplies the heart muscle?
Coronary circulation.
What separates the left and right sides of the heart?
Septum.